Hey team, what's going on? It's Christmas time in the studio, and we aim to celebrate. First step is decorating. And what better decoration can there be than one of your own holiday paintings to hang on the wall and be festive with? What a great idea. Let's do that today on Studio-214. Well, you know, my name is Gregory, and I like to do drawings and paintings and cooking and music and tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. He's good! Here is what we're painting today. So let's hop in. I'm going for purple. I don't know why. My dad hates purple. I did it because of you, Daddy! What? Nah. I think I saw a Kevin painting, and he used purple. And anyway, too late to go back now. So I'm committed. We're gonna drive on. Man, sorry about the focus. So check it out. I bought a DSLR camera for the show. It works great, except for one huge issue. No autofocus. That seems like a pretty big oversight. Also, it's apparently fairly common in mid to low range cameras. I'm gonna do a review of it later. You should know when you buy. Anyway, so the back is out of focus for right now. There we go. Luckily, it's just a background and it doesn't need to be in focus. A whole bunch of stuff is gonna be on top of it. The main feature of this painting is the house. You guys, Christmas houses are awesome. This one caught my eye, and I just had to paint it. It helps me to just block things in real quick. I like having the whole canvas filled in. See, it bothered me. I threw in the snow with the same purple from the sky, and blue where I think it would be less dark, where a little light would hit it. And then I get to work on the details of the house. A lot of this stuff, I just gotta throw it in so I can take a step back and see if I like where it's going. I don't paint sitting down. Well, I do sometimes, but often I'm standing, which is cool because I need to step back often and get a picture of the whole canvas. It's weird. You can work on something, get it perfect, excellent shape, form, and color. It works great for that corner of the painting. But then you step back and guess what? It's no good. And that's no bueno. When things are no good, you know. It takes up too much attention. It's distracting. It doesn't fit in with the rest of the canvas or whatever the problem is. It's odd how it can be great for the area, but bad for the canvas as a whole. There's probably a life lesson in there somewhere, but I'm not that in touch. Luckily, if I don't like it, well, I'm painting. I can literally paint over it, like literally. I can literally paint over it. And that's what I do. Notice that their door jamb is lower and not the same angle? That's right. The system works. Funny thing, after doing this painting, I have decided to decorate my house differently this year. The artistically arranged application of ample Christmas accoutrement, or wreaths, is now in my arsenal. Enough A-word, you a-hole! Such a grouch. Anyway, I plan to use the strategic application of wreaths to wrap my residence in wintry wonderment. Ha 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 ha! I said stop! So yeah, there's a lot of detail work on the house. I'm finding that, at least for my paintings, the distinguishing characteristic between my older paintings and my newer ones is the quality and amount of details that I put in. Which means more work for me. Well, that's cool. I now look at a bunch of different angles and I try to see things from different perspectives. It helps to understand where light would go. For instance, if I put myself in the shine of the light and saw things from that perspective, I would be able to understand it, and as such, cloak the appropriate places and varying degrees of shadow and vice versa for the highlights. But, man, it sucks I'm not more in touch with stuff, because it sounds like there is a life lesson there as well. Curse you, good looks! Why couldn't God take this face and give me a mind with which to understand things? Everything eludes me, and you will all suffer by my hand, and thus you will know my pain. Dude, it's the Christmas episode, dude. Knock off the revenge and even-handed justice talk. I just can't do anything right today. Well, that's probably a good place to end it then. Come on back next time, and we'll finish this thing up together. Do be a pal and subscribe if you haven't already. As for me, and me, right, we are headed to the house. For Studio-214, we are Greg. And with their powers combined, awesome art is made. Or attempted. Well, they paint real pretty anyway. See you next time.